Well, if you are in the beauty industry, you already know all about Premier Beauty, but for those of you who don't, this is really exciting and interesting. We have beauty expert Emily Foley here. Thanks for being here.
Hi, thank you for having me.
I'm so excited to learn more about Premier Beauty because it is right around the corner in Anaheim. So, I mean, just give me all the details. What exactly is it?
Yes, so Premier Beauty is the leading beauty event for beauty professionals on the West Coast. This is our 4th year coming to Anaheim. It's going to be bigger and more exciting than ever before. It's for seasoned pros and people just starting out, and there's hands-on education, there's networking, there's shopping, and so much more.
So this is all happening at the Anaheim Convention Center, which I personally love because it is so easy to get there from San Diego. You can hop on the train and it is like easy peasy if you are a professional here that wants to go. It's happening February 1st and 2nd. Tell me the logistics here. What do people need to know if they plan to attend?
Yes, so first off, it is a show for beauty professionals. So hairstylists, barbers, nail techs, estheticians, salon owners. So if that's not you, you want to make sure you tell everyone that you know, because this is a not to be missed event for everyone in the beauty industry.
Tell me a little bit about the education opportunities, because I am always impressed by, hairstylists and estheticians. The technology is always changing. The products are always changing. So what kind of education options?
So great question, because our education is amazing. We're going to have more than 180 complimentary classes so that you can discover the latest trends, so you can hone in on your craft, become the best of the best. Then we're also going to have more than 120 brands. The brand discovery is incredible because they have new product launches. They have product demos. They also have discounts of shopping, so salon owners go and they can actually stock their back bars, and it's really great to get those savings. We also have our barber battles. They are famous and draw huge crowds. It's so exciting. There's such great energy there for that. And we always have incredible industry influencers, and we're very excited because we have Anastasia Soare coming to Anaheim. She needs no introduction, but she is the founder and CEO of Anastasia Beverly Hills. She's going to be speaking and doing a book signing of her new book on Sunday, and the first 700 people to that session are going to get a free copy of her book.
Oh my gosh, this is amazing. Watching that video as you were talking gets me so excited. I'm like, I wish I was a beauty professional in another life. I think that would be such an amazing career. And I'm glad you mentioned the men, because it's very stereotypical of me, but I think beauty, and a lot of times I think of like my hairstylist who happens to be a woman. So tell me a little bit more about this barber battle.
It's really incredible. And if you don't know that world of barbering, I mean, it's a thing, and there's all different art to it, and so they really do go head to head and show off trends, and there's loud music. When you think about a fashion show, think of that, only it's barbers in action doing incredible work, and people are watching it and cheering, and it's really cool. But the other really exciting thing about Anaheim this year is we have lots of new things. So we're introducing our value center for the first time. We're talking deep discounts on products and tools. We're introducing our demo stages. So that's those up close and personal demonstrations from brands, educators, influencers in nails and makeup and spa and wellness. And we also have Ulta with us for the first time in Anaheim, so you can get education directly from Ulta. And they're gonna have a beauty lounge with complimentary ear piercing and brow treatments. They're gonna have a fun photo booth. The energy and fun at Premier is off the charts.
Wonderful. And this is for beauty professionals. I know a lot of people at home that maybe just flipped on the TV are like, oh, that's so exciting, I want to go. So there's a QR code on the screen. You can scan that, and that is going to unlock some discounts for professionals.
Yeah, so it's already an incredible value considering what you can achieve and do at this show. But we also have explicitly for the LOCAList viewer $15 off. So that makes the professional pass just $70 and the student pass just $50, and that pricing is good through the 31st.
Wow, well, this is amazing. And I know I said I think it would be fun to be a beauty professional, but I know it's a lot of work. I mean, these men and women have to hustle to have a strong career. So as far as going, I mean, this is like an incredible opportunity for newbies, right?
It really is, and that's what's so great about this is if you want to do that continued education, it's such a great way to do that. And again, see what the new trends are, meet with brands that maybe but you want to find out more about their products, see if you want them in your salon. But the networking is so fun. This is something where people come every year and see friends from all around the state that they haven't seen in a year. So it's such a great way to have that community and also get that additional education, because when you think about you and I, right, like I want my nail tech to be the best of the best. I want the best highlights I can get. So it's really important to make sure when you're one of those pros that you are the elite, so that we are like, this is who we're going to.
Wonderful. Well, Emily, thank you so much for being here. Really exciting. Hopefully you all can attend, and don't go anywhere, because when we come back, we are sitting down with an iconic investor who's sharing his tips. Stay with us.